When I started elementary school in Indiana, my class looked a little something like this. Walls were plain, but spotted with posters as old as our teacher that may have been printed centuries ago. The lifetime for textbooks in my school was typically 7 years. Most of our time was spent learning information that was out of date by years. Research was usually done out of a single textbook, or on special occasions 3 or 4 books that we may find in our extremely outdated school library. Standard lighting projectors were the secondary visuals to chalk on a chalkboard, and a trip to the computer lab was very rare and was such a special occasion that it was more like a field trip. The only computer in our classroom was off limits to any curious student. I went to elementary school in Washington, Indiana from 2000 to 2003, a period of transition to newer, rapidly advancing technology. I was a digital native experiencing a classical learning environment in school. Digital natives long to learn by using the newest technology. They are resourceful, and they know that there is more than one way to get from point A to point B. My classroom will be loaded with digital natives. I will open up a door of research opportunities by allowing my students to access the internet. A netbook should be available to all students. They will use these affordable yet very useful netbooks to learn about the subjects as well as the internet and computers in general. Certain subjects taught via computer program or website will provide experience for the students so they can be fluent enough with computers to keep up with the exponentially developing technologies. I will teach interactively through a smartboard, computer programs such as Google Docs, and classroom discussions. Each student should be at a desk with either a built-in computer or space to put their own computer. Through these desks, they will be able to network with each other, myself, and other students around the world. Also, I would like to utilize the power of a Surface computer in my classroom. A Surface computer is a table with a touchscreen glass surface that allows multiple people to use one large table-like computer at the same time. This would be extremely useful for group projects and/or challenges and games that help enhance the students' learning. The desks will be arranged in a semicircle or three-quarter circle to promote a healthy daily discussion. We'll also make it easier for our class to leave and enter the room in single file. When I am done with my students, they will better understand what it means to be responsible and use teamwork to be successful. They will have a positive bias towards education, ready and excited to move on to the next grade. My students will be the brilliant minds of the future.